Bitcoin money essentially has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $235.04, or so they essentially thought. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The in every way that really matters, current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $432,778,757, which basically is very huge. 28 September 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these habitually by and large got clarification on some things, facts, what explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, fundamentally is BCH and especially wise speculation. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, showing how 28 September 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts. What essentially is transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, sort of is BCH and especially wise speculation, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the BCH specialized investigation, generally let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which really is genuinely huge. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807, or so they in a real sense thought. The by and large absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $26,382,683,370, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, exhibiting how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 28 September 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually by and large clarified some things, facts, what sort of is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, sort of is BCH a truly wise interest in a really significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, so various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, in a genuinely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, showing how Bitcoin money for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in a sort of enormous manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 0.72. And as of now exchanging at 50 cents, by and large further appearance, how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is very critical. These occasions especially show that the market basically is going in a descending heading for sort of present moment, which explicitly is very huge. As of now, and in every practical sense, general truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how the fundamentally current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money truly is at $432,778,757, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers basically become all things considered, all the more genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, Pretty further appearance how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they certainly thought. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers explicitly become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants sort of become move sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a huge manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The very current Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense is $235.04, with an exchanging volume of $432,778,757 in the truly beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, showing how 28 September 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly all things considered, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what basically is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, for the most part is BCH an excellent speculation. Or so they truly thought. As of now, BCH explicitly is up by 1.56% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,587,264,511 United States dollars in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost investigation for 28 September 2023, inside a very everyday time period, generally made sense of beneath. So however prior to plunging certainly profound into the BCH specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us especially to discuss the ongoing economic situations, which explicitly is very huge. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money. So the kind of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $26,382,683,370 in a very enormous manner. While BCH's Williams %R marker really is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign explicitly is entirely conceivable at this reach, so as of now. An especially broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how the for the most part current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of is at $432,778,757, or so they truly thought. The really relative strength list, RSI, shows that the BCH coin especially is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 25 in a by and large significant manner. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid